Hello, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. If you just got a message from Google saying that your Gemini business subscription is scheduled for cancellation and you can't figure out how to resubscribe or reactivate it, I've got some good news for you as long as you have a Google Workspace account. Basically, the email said that we're going to cancel your subscription will be canceled. To keep your subscription, follow the steps below, or Google will cancel your subscription after a certain date. The problem is, if you go to the admin console, if you follow their instructions, you go to billing subscriptions, you'll see that the Gemini business will say something like suspended, but there's no way to reactivate it under payment due. I looked all around. I couldn't figure it out. I used the Google chat feature to try to get an answer to this. There's no way, apparently, to reactivate this Gemini business subscription, but there's a reason for that. It's because I already have a Google Workspace account. And if you have Google Workspace, Google Gemini is included free for that. So you don't even need the Gemini business subscription anymore. I verified this by actually talking with somebody in Google Workspace support. They said, please be informed that as per new product updates, the Gemini has been added to the Workspace account for free for all subscriptions of Workspace account. So I have a paid subscription to Google Workspace. Gemini is included with that for free. I don't need to extend or renew or do anything with the old Gemini business account. What they do recommend you do is you click on Gemini Business and you cancel the subscription. If you don't go through this step that I'm showing you, Google will cancel it anyways. But they want you to cancel the subscription, and you're basically going to get Google Gemini for free through your Workspace account. So if you have a Workspace account, you'll still be able to keep it, and that's the good news. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.